I took this one trade and I win. I can say I recover what I lost yesterday. I started this week with $18 and now I'm on $22. Let not forget the additional $10 is to make me feel calm. Sorry, I mean to stay calm. Also, to give me more confidence to take more trade. With this, I can say I start this week with $8 and I make additional $4, making it 12. If I win another 10% tomorrow, I will make 50% profit. That means my additional $10 is working. Let us assume I don't have any drawdown. That will be 10 plus 4, that is 14. If I should win $10 tomorrow, it's going to be 10 plus 5, that's going to be 50. That means I am going to achieve my goal this week, not to blow my account and make more than 30% profit. I need to build a strong resentment in order to push the button. I need to take the trade. I need to take the trade. I will analyze all the trade that I won for the past few days tomorrow morning before I enter the market. Whenever I see anything that looks like what I analyze in the morning, I'm going to push the button. I really don't want market to set me up tomorrow. Market can choose to reverse tomorrow when I take my trade, or market should do their thing. Market, please, please. If you don't know, tomorrow is going to be my fourth week of trading with a $10 account without blowing it. Also, I only trigger Martingale twice. I can't get into this in this video. I'm sure I talked about my experience day by day and I share it with you. I hope my video has proven that you can handle a $10 account for 4 weeks without blowing it. I hope the next 4 weeks is going to hold something good. It's going to hold more profit. I'm going to print and I'm going to pop more profit. Whenever I ended my trading section very early, like today, I do read books, I do home chores, I analyze and I cook. I want to let you know it is not every day I feel like doing so. At the moment, this trade I took, I don't feel like doing anything today, but my discipline keeps me going. My reasons, my why keeps me going. Nothing like motivation. I have passed that stage that I'm going to be doing stuff based on motivation. Motivation is just a short term action. Discipline is the long term action and it is what I've cultivated and I'm still cultivating it. I do listen to audiobook. This week, this week I don't feel like doing anything, but I'm right sure it is my emotion that is playing me. I need to do what I need to do, not because I don't feel like doing it. For the past weeks, I also try to keep myself healthy. I sleep early, I wake up early, I eat food, I rest, I did not consume negative energy. I stay away from negative energy. I also stay away from other people's strategy. I stay away from the peer that I am not trading. I remind myself to be better day by day and lot and lot and lot. Probably tomorrow I'm going to tell you how I do every stuff, how I am able to manage this $10 for good 4 weeks, what I learned, my psychology, my strategy, what helped me, what I stay away from. So that are the moral for today. If you are new here, please and please don't forget to blow that subscribe button. Till tomorrow, peace.